Hello and welcome. Yes, it's a sand spade pour or sand shovel pour I'm going to attempt today. What I'm quickly doing here is just putting a bit of base coat on that I had left over, spreading it over my canvas, so sort of just getting that bit over and done with for you. But that is a lovely colour, which I'll explain in a minute. So base colour's done and on with the next stage. Rightio, that's the base coat on. Just doing that in that lilac. It was white with gold, then with purple added. So I am now going to use up some leftover colours to load this shovel, whatever you call it. It's a kiddie shovel, kiddie spade. So I hope that I've still got you in the... And I'm going to do like ribbon effects in the actual, and get all my colours out. So that was bright red, orange and yellow. I guess maybe I'll hold it up this way. I've got a little teeny weeny little bit of purple left in there, so as I said, I'm going to use all my colours up. So kind of been using those colours all week, so that's my last of them. Beautiful colours together actually. This is the just pale purple or lilac, should I call it. So that's the last of that. I think I'm going to add some navy. I've got some navy there. I was like just doing it in these ribbons. I don't think I've done, I can't remember doing a shovel pour before, but I'm going to give it a go. This is cyan blue, so it's a much paler blue. All I know is that I did make mistakes before in that I didn't put enough paint on. I think I've tried this pouring with something else. Maybe I did try this, I'm not sure. So I'm just going back over some of the colours now. But I would love to do this on a big canvas, but I'm not confident enough yet, so I thought I'll give it a go on a smaller canvas and see how we go with it. Go back. Just add a bit more of the navy. And I think I'm going to top it off with the last I've got of this gold, because the metallic gold, I'm believing that it will help make some lovely shimmer in the paint. That's gorgeous. Oh, I've got a whole lot in there. Probably, I didn't have enough when I've tried this before, so I'm probably thinking I've probably gone overboard and it'd be too much this time, but in for a penny, in for a pound. It's just a little bit of the, well, it was supposed to be burnt umber, but I added black and it turned out very dark, so. Rightio. I'm hoping they've actually put enough. I know that it probably looks as I've gone overboard on it, but that's used up the last of that. Might as well. The last of this. I probably should have gone bigger canvas, but never mind. Remember, it's mostly pouring medium that's in all of this. Probably less than 50% paint. Rightio. Oh, I am scared. Let's give this a go. So, do I start from this end and go that way, or, oh, think I did do it on, I've done this before, pretty sure. Wow. Wow, look at the lovely shuffle, spade, or whatever you call them. Well, that's a bit weird and wonderful, isn't it? But let's hope when I tilt it about, I actually really love this. Not so keen on that. So let's see what we get out of this. I'm just going to gently tilt it all over my canvas. I think it's the Massey boys that do a lot of these shovel pours, I believe. I think so, I'll have to double check. But not liking that chunky yellow I've got there for sure. Too chunky. I should have done finer lines, I think. It would have got rid of that. Wow. Not that keen on this one. But you should never say never. I'll just keep pushing on with it and see how we go. I can scrape all that paint up that's run off for the people that worry that I'm using or losing too much paint. You can scrape it up, put it in a cup and use it as a base coat. So, okay, just re-center the paint. Well, it's really sparkling. Let's see. Oh, let's see what happens when I put a heat on it. But I'm just really impressed with the pattern on the plastic shovel. Let's see how we go. It's kind of interesting, I guess. I'm not liking this solid colour. So what I'll try there is I might add, with my spatula, I will add a bit of the black and give it a swipe and see if I can get some interesting effects in this yellow and the orange, because I don't particularly like that at all. So I'm going to do some Aussie slides because it's Aussie Floetrol, and I'm going to slide it over the canvas. Wow, oh look at those. Look at that, gems appear. That's beautiful, much prefer colour. Okay, let's go again. Just a bit of the black for the Aussie slide, Aussie Floetrol. Just the black, let's go. Wow, wow, wow. I really like that. Maybe I'll take that through. When I bring you down, you'll see that the gems make, of all the gems that come up, the colours. So it just adds a lot more interest to it. I'm going to bring you down. That's so much better now. That is, that's nice. So yeah, look at all the gem-like cells that have come up just doing that Aussie Floetrol slide with the black paint over those solid yellow and orange bits. And of course it's all glistening in there because of the metallic gold I used in it. So this, the original part, it's not really floating my boat. I'm not a fan of that style. I've just discovered. That's quite pretty, the blue, but much prefer it where I've done the Aussie slides over it. So that's the whole thing, kind of that yellow and orange heart, wobbly heart there. Kind of looks as though it's like a what do you call that hole where people disappeared? I can't remember it now. Oh my goodness. the black hole, or the Bermuda Triangle, that's it. Rightio. Craziness over and done with. I am not really floating my boat, that one, but there's others that absolutely love this style. So I just thought I'd give it a go again and see how I went. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Be kind. Okay, until tomorrow, my lovelies. Bye for now.